again. This is Janice. Well, this is just going to be a casual video. Not a big deal. So, if you're interested in seeing what I ordered on Tarte, I've never ordered online with them before, and they had a special. I forget how much I paid for it, but a bunch of items for like $60 or something like that. I'm not sure about that, but I'm sure the invoice would be in here. Anyways, I thought maybe you might want to see what I got. Okay, so if so, just stay tuned. By the way, my daughter keeps texting me. She had a hard day at work. She runs my salon, my pet grooming salon, and everyone called in. She was there by herself. And this time of year, that's a no-no. Hard on her. But she made it through, so she's kind of explained to me how she did. So, but she survived, and she had a very long day. She says her back hurts. Poor girl. But she's my rock. She keeps me in my retirement, runs my business, and that way I don't have to go to work, which is about 2 hours from here. So if I had to go to work there, I'd have to go down there and stay. But we had good help, but you know, they come and they go. All right, we'll get back to this. Let's see here. Let's tape. Oh, just tape. It was easy to open. Hello, Tartelette. Why choose between beauty that works and beauty that is healthy? Really rethink natural. And Tarte is a cruelty-free company. Purple. I love pink and purple. Real girly. Tarte High Performance Naturals, it says here. It's got lipsticks all over. It's a cute box. Very cute. Okay, let's take this baby out. It's all wrapped up. Real nice. See? And, knocked the camera there, sorry. And I got a card from them. It says, oh, plus, let's see, let me read the front first. Tarte, friends don't let friends miss out on makeup. Refer a friend at tarte.com/refer and get a special offer. Plus another surprise just for you. 15% off your next purchase on tarte.com. Use code LOVE15 at checkout. This offer ends July 15th, 2019. Okay, that's nice. So if I see something I want to order again, I will. Alright, I want to see what's in here. I did pick out what I wanted. They gave you a choice of different items. And so I kind of remember what I ordered. It did take about a week to get here. Not bad. This is nice tissue. I'm going to definitely save this tissue. I'm going to save her. I like to recycle and reuse. Okay, let me get this organized here and show you as I ordered them. Okay. I know I went online and I thought, oh, I have time to order stuff. Oh, I've never done this before. Okay, it was a big sale. So I had stuff in my cart. And I thought, let me think about it. Let me go back in my room and see if I really want that. And I said, yeah, I do. So I go back and it was gone. I wanted to get some face cream and it was gone. So, but I said, okay, I better make my decision now before everything's gone. And sure enough, as the minutes went by, they pretty much cleared it out. Okay, the first thing I ordered was Tarte High Performance Natural Smooth Operator. It's a dry finishing powder. I have had samples of this through my beauty box subscriptions, and I actually really like it. It's a finishing powder. It kind of, when you're done with your makeup, it's really fine milled, so it kind of blurs out your imperfections, and I need all the help I can get with that. And all I had was a tiny little sample, and it was almost gone. So when I seen this, I go, yep, I want that, because I know I like it. They had other powders. They had a setting powder and, oh, I can't remember the rest, but okay, this is sealed up, but it's real fine. It's white, translucent, and it's super, super fine. The reason why I'm doing that, because I know what it feels like, but there's no powder there. Let me open it up. Ah, ooh, see how fine it just, ah, feels like silk. I like this. This is nice. This is their powder foundation. Yeah. Tarte High Performance Naturals Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Airbrush Foundation. I never knew they had this one. They also had a stick one. I was debating between this and the stick, but I thought, no, sticks are heavy and they weigh me down, and they're hot for the summer. So I thought I'm going to go with a powder foundation. Now the original color one was light, medium, neutral. That's the one that sold out really quick. So I got light, medium, beige, and it does have pink undertones. I usually don't get that, but I thought, well, I have a little color in my face. That's what it looks like. There's a pot there. And let's see. I'll open it up. See if it's, oh yeah. It's got a little mesh there. Okay. That's cool. Let's see. Ooh. Feels like a nylon. Is that gonna match? Yeah. It's fine. So, that's a powder foundation. Every now and then I like wearing it, especially in the summer. I like being cool. It is hot and muggy here in Michigan. Whenever it gets hot. It was a little muggy today because we've had rain for the last couple of days. But it wasn't hot. It was just beautiful. Like about 69, 70. Perfect. And I did order quick enough to get it on a pallet. So, this is a High Performance Naturals. Let's see, is it a face palette, eyes palette? I think it's a little both. It's not very big. I thought it might be a little bigger, not a whole lot. I knew it was going to be small, but... Now, earlier I made a video and I had lipstick on my teeth. So I changed out my lipstick. I had way too much on, so I probably made a fool of myself, but I keep checking. Ooh. I love pink flamingos. Look at that. Can you see that? I keep pushing it towards the camera and it gets dark. My lights are back here. Oh, and they dance. Look. Can you see that? I'm a little kid at heart. Little things entertain me. Oh, this is pretty. It is naturals. Yeah, but they're pretty. I'm not going to viewfind to see if you can see this okay. There we go. I'll hold still so I can focus. So, let's see what this is exactly. Glam on the Go eyeshadow palette. Okay, it's eyeshadow palette. Those are pretty. A dark brown. Your neutrals. Looks like a rosy looking it's like I say, it's got a couple of shimmers and 1, 2, I actually 3 shimmers and 3 mattes. So this is going to be very nice to pop in my bag. Okay, let's put the little plastic back in there. Oh, and it does have a nice mirror. There, see? I ordered a blush. I did? I did. I forgot I did. I have a horrible memory. Oh, yes, I remember now. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh, that is so pretty. It's so pretty. It's Beach Cheeks. Beach Cheeks. Ocean Girl. Oh, and it's a cream. Yeah, I remember now. I like cream blushes. And that is pretty. Okay, it's not very out there in your face. It's just subtle, which is what I like. I do not want to have it in my face because then I have to blend, blend, blend. So that's, I like this. This is nice for me. And very, very cute. Okay, we got Pink Flamingos shell. And we have a brush. Now this is what I really didn't need. This is when I decided on instead of the face cream. But we can always use, I don't have a brush quite like this. Similar. It's nice and dense. I keep forgetting you guys can't see down here. I watched me edit my videos today and find out you can't see half the stuff I did. I won't be happy. I hate remaking videos. I'd rather just edit them, put them together. Anyways, a brush. And this is Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash Lipstick. Oh, yeah. This is this was a different formula that I ever tried. It is in the color Beach Waves. It's a brown. Look how pretty that tube is. Great color. I like this color, especially in the summer. I kind of put a similar color on just a few minutes ago. Let me just put it over it. Nice and creamy. I like the way that fits. It's comfortable. It's creamy. And it's perfect. I never tried this mascara, and I always wanted to. I tried their other one, the Man Eater, I think it was, and I liked it. So this one is like, what did I say, all in one? Oh, lights, camera, lashes, that's what it is. But this was a limited edition packaging, and I seen this at the stores, and I thought, oh, how cute, but I couldn't bring myself to buy it. I mean, I was in the market to buy something different. Look at, cute. Alright, I'm going to open this up because I'm going to try, not now, but I'm going to try it tomorrow. Okay, so it's got a nice brush, nothing fancy. But if it's just a nice mascara, if it's just for every day, that's okay. Can always have glam, especially on an everyday. I don't like my eyelashes to be too out there. That's so cute. Okay, I think that's all the makeup, but you did get a choice of makeup bags, and this is the one I picked. It's Pink Flamingos and a glitter bag. I don't need makeup bags, but I need this. This is pretty. Sequences and pink flamingos. I love pink flamingos. And a nice zipper. It says Tarte on it right here. purple inside. Nice size. Here we go. Put in my new stuff. Matches my flamingos. And where'd you go? Oh, I already put it in there. My eyeshadows. My brush. And my powders. Think that's it? Yep. There you go. All of that for, I believe it was $60 or $65. So, well worth it. I'm happy. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I guess they have these every now and then, so I never knew they did. I just happened to go online and hear people talking about it. I thought, oh, I'll check it out. I gotta stay away. I don't need more makeup. But I want it. Alright. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell. Like this video. And comment. Alright. We'll see you next time. Thank you for stopping by. And have a wonderful day. Bye.